You can expect a lot from the 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, rain-sensing wipers, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.